your guards, Randy. Randy, push your guard. Randy, push the arm away. Push the leg, push it away. Randy, push it away. Yun! Puli mo, Mahira. Push the guard, Randy. No, pasok mo na, pasok mo. Pasok mo, pasok mo na. Yeah. Good.
Pass the guard, ha?
Pulin, Randy. Attack. Attack niya sa elbow, Randy. Sa kamay, sa elbow. Hawak sa elbow. Sa elbow, Randy.
Pass
Hatak
the
niya
guard,
sa elbow.
pass the guard. Ingat sa sweep, ha? Baba mo siya, baba mo. Tulak mo baba yung chest niya. Yan, goal.
Higher.
Coach, okay. Coach, nice.
Usap arm is elbow, hawak, Randy. Elbow.
Pass the guard, Jay. Pass, nice. Pass.
Balik sa guard, Randy. Balik sa guard. Habol. Habol, nice. Habol, Randy. Habol.
Sige.
Close mo na yan, Randy.
Pass, guard. Pass, Jay. Pass.
Push na niya away. Lock mo yan, na. Push na niya away.
Yan.
Push him away sa knee. Sa hips, bro. Tulak. Middle muna po.
Five.
Middle. Meron na.
Side. Maintain na, tapos smoke lang Jay, ha? Ready? Go!
Randy, pasok mo sa mo.
Smoke lang na
Pasok mo
smoke.
sa legs mo. Come on, Randy.
Nice, let's Kesa. Kesa mo na, ipin mo lang yung ipin mo.
Randy, turn towards him. Yung hips mo sa kabila.
No.
Randy, pasok na. That's it. Tuloy mo yan.
Ikot na lang mo
Pasok,
yung south,
Randy.
Jay.
Ayan, pasok.
Guys,
Push
Kesa,
away.
good.
Again,
Okay,
Randy.
feed,
Gawin
nice.
mo ulit.
Feed mo na.
Mag-knee right siya, Brandy. Brandy, naalala mo, pasok mo yung ulo. Tulak mo yung ulo sa legs. Brandy, kung maalala mo, tulak yung ulo sa legs. That's it. Putuin.
Last round, Jay. Posture lang, posture. Posture, Jay. Tulak mo yung chest yung mga Jay. Nice. Posture, good.
Pull him in.
Pass ulit ng guard.
Mission control, Brandy. Mission control. That's it. Lock it in.
Alugin mo, Bal. Alugin mo.
Hatak.
Posture, Jay. Posture, nice.
Brandy, yung number 2 na ginawa natin sa hapon, Brandy. Yung number 2. Kaya mong gawin mo sa position.
Ingat na sa switch, Jay, ha? Maintain lang.
Brandy, yung number 2.
Tinatawin mo na yan, ha? Sige, pass the guard, Jay. Tulak mo yung chest yung mga ulit. Tulak mo ulit siya, bababa. Tulak mo siya, bababa. Nice. Posture.
Mission control, bro.
Pass the guard, Jay. Pass the guard.
Mission. Keep on his hips. Ari, bakante yung knee nyo. Bakante yung kabilang knee.
Kick it out.
Kick it out, Brandy. Yung kabilang tuhod, Brandy.
Posture,
Kick
Jay.
it out.
Guys, yan. Pass na ulit. Nice, Jay.
Push away.
Lagi natin tinatawin yan.
Push away, that's it. Push away. Nagpalo na ng sticks, wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa. Push away, Brandy.
Inside na.
Para yan, tuhod, na sa'yo na.
Inside na, please.
That's it, Brandy. Pull him in. Sarado mo na, Brandy. Sarado. Pull the head down.
Stop.
Brandy, pull the head down. Pull. Brandy, pull.
That's badass, bro.
Yes.
Brandy.